Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Shein on iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. In order to log into Shein on iPhone, first, make sure that you've downloaded Shein application. If you've not done that yet, open your App Store in the search bar, typing Shein and search. Download this application right here that says Shein Fashion Shopping Online. Once you download the application, tap it open and you'll be able to open the homepage of Shein. In order to log into your account, go to the Me button at the bottom right hand corner and give it a tap. Right we say sign in/register, tap it on and you'll be able to see your sign in tab and your register tab. If you don't have an account yet, get inside the register tab and type in a phone number. Verify your mobile number in order to get registered for Shein. If you already have an account, make sure that you are tapped into the Sign In tab. Type in your email address into the first text box that is associated with your Shein account. Next, type in the password for your account as well into the next field. Make sure to type in your password correct in order to log into your account without any kind of a problem. You can also log in via phone number or other social networking sites displayed at the bottom of the screen. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials, click the Sign In button and you'll be logged into Shein on your iPhone. That is how it is done. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.